All right, in this video, I wanted to discuss how to know if your commercial roof really needs to be replaced. All right, let's get right into it. So replacing a commercial roof, it is a big undertaking. It is a big expense. And oftentimes contractors will make the recommendation that, hey, the roof's in really bad condition. Everything needs to be torn up and you need to start over. But what can you do to protect yourself? So here are 5 things that you can do to protect yourself and make sure that your roofing contractor is being on an up and up with you. So here we go. Let's get into it. So one is show me the roof. Show me the proof that my roof is really in this bad of condition and why it should be replaced. Did they take photos and videos of all the problematic areas? Did they do core samples? Is there a diagram, a drawing that shows where all the issues are on the roof? And then is there an explanation of the options that are being provided for that roofing system? And then the questions that you can ask is, can you show me the photos? Show me the videos. Again, show me the roof. Show me the proof that my roof really needs to be torn off, starting over. And then another question is, are there sections of the roof that we could make repairs on and, still salvage and work with what we have? And then what are the pros and cons of what you're offering to me, the options that you're offering to me? How does that benefit me? And what evidence do you have that replacement is the most cost-effective choice? So please show that to me. And these are the things that you want to discuss with your roofing contractor when they're making a recommendation that you need to tear everything off and start over. And if you have a quote and something just does not look right, I would encourage you, call a contractor, call a commercial roofing contractor, and have them walk the roof as well and ask questions so you have something to compare to and keep everybody honest. Okay, guys, we look forward to seeing you on your roof. Till the next time.